They finally arrived. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I'm a bit excited about this. Now what I've got here is a paint rack. More specifically for 37 and 40mm tubes. And I have plans for this, but it's finally getting organised. So let's get this up. These come from a company called Wargame Models. You can find them easy enough on eBay, but it is the only place I've been able to find where you can actually get racks similar to the display racks that you find in art shops. So it actually holds the paint. And my plan is basically to arrange my various paints in 3 rows of transparent, semi-transparent and fully opaque, and to arrange them in order of colour. Seems to be straightforward enough. Alright, let's see how we go. So there it is, dedicated workspace at last. All that remains to be done is to thank you all for watching. To remind you, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like and subscribe button, help me grow the channel, and keep an eye out for new content as we head into the new year. Here's wishing you all the best for 2023. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.